So now let's add some text to that icon buttons. Let me use that small element and add text here, and also let me put that with other icons, and I have to change it to download. This will be copy, and also for this will be message, app link, Vcard, phone link. Now let's center that icon, copy that and paste it with all other remaining icons. So it applied to the all other remaining icons, and the icon should be in the center of that icon block. Now let's add other div block, and here should provide some padding, add h1 tag and write QR code generator here, and the text should be in the center of that block. Now we will add a paragraph tag here and provide some padding, and I will place that text here. At the bottom we will have to add that block also, and change that h1 tag, and I will add some text here. Now let's add icon button in the footer of site. Provide some style to the block. Copy that icon button style and let's add icon button for Facebook. There we will provide link to that Facebook page. Also paste this style here, and I will add a YouTube icon button and Instagram button. Let me put that style here, provide some padding here and margin effect. Now we will have to apply some link to that button. Paste it here, copy that and cut that and paste it here, cut it and paste it here. Let's apply that same style to the other, show the icon clearly. Now we have to provide that links. This is the links to Facebook page. This will be a YouTube channel link, and this will be the Instagram link.